Yeah, there. Now you can start. Okay.
Yeah,
First question is that what is string operator in SQL and explain the use cases. Okay.
yeah.
What is string operator in
So
SQL?
string operators are nothing but the functions that we can use on the string values that we have. So, for example, say if we want to fetch the lowercase, if you want to convert a particular string to lowercase, then we have the lower function. Similarly, if we want to get a particular string in the uppercase, then we have upper. If we have two strings and we need to say concat them, then we have the concat function. Similarly, if we want to replace a particular part of a string, right, then we have the replace function. So these are the some of the string operators.
Okay. Can you define comparison operator in SQL? When to
Yeah,
use this operator in SQL?
yeah,
Experience scenario.
yes.
Yeah.
So
There are three
comparison,
questions here.
yeah,
Define the comparison operator.
yeah,
When to use comparison operator in SQL, and then explain the scenario.
yeah. So comparison operators are like whenever we want to compare particular data, we use it. Like we have equals, we have greater than, we have less than.
Mm.
These are the examples.
Okay.
And if at all say we want to fetch the say the particular amount value which is greater than say the summation of something, like in that case we can use the greater than operator. Similarly, if we want to check if a particular employee, say employee's salary is equal to some value, then we can use the equals operator.
Mhm.
um, Something like that. So where we need to compare the data, right, we can use the comparison operators.
Okay. Good. So now we have three here. You can see now, right? Company, department,
Yeah.
and employee, correct?
Mm.
Okay. So let's see the data. So in
Yeah.
company ID is a primary key, company name, location, city, pin code, and country. Okay.
Okay.
Pin code also is a unique. Okay. Here.
Okay. Okay.
Now
Mm.
you can see here 1, 2, 5, and then 7. Okay. We have company ID.
Correct.
Here the
Yeah.
company name, and the last Oracle does not have any location, city, and pin code, right? It's a country. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
In department, we have 10 to 12, 13, 14, and 15.
Yeah.
Again, 15 has no record for city, pin code, and country.
Yes.
Okay. And for this department ID and 14 and 15 company ID, you can see right 106, and
Nah.
then
Yeah.
remaining of their data. Okay. So you can analyze here. I'll post you on the chat. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the employee data because all the
Okay.
remaining questions will be coming based on this data set only.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. So here idea is that exactly you should know first data, correct?
Yes.
Then only you'll come to the answer. So I'm posting you on the chat and then we'll start discussion.
Yeah.
I have post you now.
Man, let me open that. Yeah, Mit.
Okay, got right?
Mm. So company ID is the primary key for the company
Yeah. So
table.
can you copy paste in a one Excel sheet or any Word file for your analysis?
Okay. Let me.
And I'll share these question sheets with your correct answer, wrong answer, so that you can analyze why it is wrong. Correct?
Yeah. Mit. Yeah.
Yeah. Finally, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fine. So we'll start now.
1 minute. I'm
Yeah.
just copying.
Yeah. Take 1 minute time, go through the data again, analyze the data properly, then we'll start
Yeah. Yeah.
discussion.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So company ID is the primary key for company. Department ID is for this one, and company ID is the foreign key in this one. Employee ID is the primary key, and we have the department ID.
Yeah.
Okay. Company ID and employee directly not connected. Okay. Yeah, Amit.
Okay, fine.
Mm.
Okay, good. Chalo. So write a query to display the maximum salary from each department.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Mm. Where is salary? Okay. So 1 minute. Let me see the questions. What is the question, Amit? Just
Write a query to display maximum salary from each department with department name. I said you make it like this, okay?
okay.
You tell
So
me again. Yeah.
select max of
Mm.
department.
Select.
Select max of salary,
Okay.
comma department name,
Okay.
department
Okay.
group by department ID.
Group by
Department ID.
department ID. Okay.
I mean from this table, from department table,
Mm.
group by department ID.
Okay. From department.
Mm.
Cellulose.
No,
This
no, no,
answer.
no, 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 no.
Ah,
Select max of salary, department name, comma department ID, and group by department ID and department name, because I have not given it there.
department ID.
Yeah. Then
Okay.
group by department ID and department name.
Okay. Again, you check.
Yeah.
So shall I now close
Yeah.
this answer,
Hmm.
or you want to see still more? Or shall I log the answer?
Yeah, you can log.
Sure.
Select maximum
Okay.
salary.
So your Dhiran question
Hmm.
is correct, right? As per you, that is your
Hmm.
final. But as per my feedback,
Hmm.
this is wrong query. Why wrong?
Maximum.
You'll think. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go to the next. So find the right query to find employee name, department name, company name, destinations whose salary is greater than average salary, right? What is this questions? Check. Write a query to find employment name, department name, company name, designation
Hmm.
whose salary is greater than average salary.
Hmm.
Yeah. Now you have the data.
Yeah.
You analyze properly data, then tell me the query.
What is it? Select employee name, department name, company name, designation whose salary is greater than the average salary.
Correct.
Select department name, employee name.
And one questions will have 2 minutes time max. Okay. I have 32
Yeah.
questions.
We will write a join query here, Amit.
You tell me. I'll type it.
Yeah.
Now I don't know SQL. You know SQL. So tell me. Ah, chalo.
Select
Okay.
select a dot employee name,
Select a. Okay. E dot employee name.
select a dot employee name,
Mm,
comma
mm,
a e dot salary,
okay. E dot salary. Okay. Where the salary is coming. Okay. E dot salary.
e dot salary,
Mm,
comma b dot d dot department name,
E dot department name.
comma
Mm,
c dot company name,
mm,
comma
mm,
e dot designation,
okay. Okay.
from
Hmm.
designation from
From
employee
employee
join department D
department D. Hmm.
uh, on
On
e dot
E dot
dep- e dot department ID is equal to
department ID is equal to
D dot department ID
okay.
uh, join
Join
company
company
C on
C on
uh, D dot company ID is equal to C dot company ID.
D dot company
D
ID.
is
Okay.
equal to
Hmm.
C dot company ID.
C dot right. D dot company ID you are saying correct.
D dot company ID is equal to C dot company ID.
Okay.
Where
Where
dot uh, where E dot salary is greater than
hmm.
AVG of
E dot salary you are saying.
yes.
Okay. You check properly and tell me it is correct or it is partial correct.
Where to
Again, go to the questions. Write a query to find employee name, department
name
name, company name, designations whose salary is greater than average salary.
tree.
And data is here in front of you. Only data you have here. So you're looking for employee name, designations, department name, company name, correct?
Yes.
Annual salary should be more than the average salary. So whatever
Yes.
the average is coming from the salary should be average, right?
Yes.
Okay. So is this correct? Shall I log this question's answer?
Mm, mm,
Dhiran,
mm,
sure? Or
mm.
you want to think? Or you want to take a help with your friend?
Which friend with?
Any friend? Phone a friend, call friend.
No.
Okay, fine.
Just thinking whether I can use average in the wear condition. I think
What
this
should
is
I do?
incorrect.
What should I do?
Yeah, I mean, save it, Amit. I think it is
Okay, fine.
incorrect, but
So mine output is wrong. Answer.
wrong.
Yeah. Why wrong? I'll be sending this to you. Okay, you have to write all this query and then submit. Okay, you take a time this week.
Hmm.
Okay, you will think why this is wrong. Okay, first I need your input. Okay, let's go to the
Yeah,
next questions. Find the department and company name where the number of employees working, number of employees working two. Basically, this sentence is wrong. Is more than is working two or more than two employee, right? Belong to India.
find the department and the company name where number of employee, where
Is
number of
working
uh,
two employee working or more than two employee in the same department. There may be many employee, correct? But my
correct.
condition is that the number of employee should be two. Number of employee I think should be not is working. I can say here should be two. Okay, should be two or more than two, right? I think that makes sense, correct?
Find the department and company name where number of employees,
Hmm.
number of employees uh,
Should be
Workings.
2.
Okay, so I need to find the department where number of
Yeah,
employees are 2, is it?
correct. In each department. And employee should belongs to India.
Okay.
Now I have rephrased the questions to you. So we are looking for find the department name, company name, okay,
Hmm.
where the number of employee should be 2 or more than 2 in each department.
An employee should belong to India.
So
Okay.
first you split this query in the two part. First you write
Hmm.
this query and then come back to the last, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm helping you now.
So here also where number of employees should be 2 or more than 2.
Hmm.
Here also we will use the join condition, Amit, for
Okay.
the sub query.
So department name and company name. Okay. So you're going
Hmm.
to join between which company, which table? Department
Department
and
and
company.
company.
Fine. Okay. So what should I do now?
The
Select.
no, no, above in the okay above query.
Yeah, I'm here, right? Question number 3, right?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah. So select
Mhm.
D dot department name,
D
comma
dot
D,
department name. Okay.
comma D, C dot company name,
C dot
company name.
company name. Okay.
Yeah, from D dot
From.
from D dot sorry from department D,
Okay.
D join
Join
company C
company C
on
on
uh, D dot company ID is equal
D dot
to
company ID is equal to
C dot company ID
C dot company ID. Okay.
uh, group by
Group by
uh, group by D dot
D dot
department ID
department ID
having
having
uh, count of no
okay,
no wait uh, where number of employees should be, but company ID and department do not have the employee details, right, Amit? So in that case, we need to join with the we have to join with the employee. We, we do not will not put the group ID. We will after this join condition, we will again join with employee
okay,
because department does not have the employee details, right?
correct.
So we will remove that group by
Mhm.
uh, and then we will join with
Okay. Join employee
employee E
mhm,
uh, yeah on
on
uh, E dot
E dot department ID.
department ID is equal to D
Mhm,
dot department ID.
mhm. Okay.
Yeah, now we will group this by uh, group by
Mhm.
group by D dot department ID.
Okay. Department ID. Okay.
No, not.
So your times will be up now. 2 minutes, one questions. You take 30 seconds more, Dhiran.
We have to actually group by the department ID having
Okay.
count of employee ID equal to 2 or greater than 2, but this will fail because
Okay. So your times also anyway up. Okay. So my remark is wrong. Okay.
wrong. Yeah, I know.
So no problem. Okay. We'll go to the next questions. So if we perform union and union all, okay, between employee in the department, what will be the output? Union
Okay.
and union all, okay,
Hmm.
between employee and department, correct?
Hmm.
Yeah, your answer. So time will start now. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So,
So this is the
1 minute.
employee in department, correct?
Yeah.
So you are performing union and union all.
Yeah.
Okay.
So union will give the matched records between both of them, but it will give the distinct records. So
Okay.
we will have 10, uh, 10, 11,
Okay.
12,
Hmm.
13,
So you're saying 10, 11,
and 12,
12,
13.
13. Okay.
Yeah.
The union all.
Union all will replicate. I mean the 11 will be repeated.
Okay.
I
And
don't
what
know.
about 106 employee? 21 is not in the department ID. It will come or not?
No, it will not.
Okay. How many column we have in the first table and second table? How many number of column we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here we have 7, right?
Mm. This itself it will not work.
So your answer becomes correct or wrong?
No,
Hmm?
incorrect. I mean, it will fail. The union itself will fail.
So now it is correct. Okay.
Yeah.
After, so why it is failed?
Column count mismatch. Number of
Okay.
columns mismatch.
So first time your answer was wrong. After my recalling, your answers become
Yeah,
correct.
because I did not check on the count of the
Ah,
columns.
correct. So I'll give you my feedback. Okay, after all. Okay. Which join to apply to get all the department details and match employee details? Right, agree to get result.
Which join to apply to get all the department details and the
Matched employee
employee detail.
details.
We have to use the left out join.
Okay, left outer join. Okay, okay, good. Right, agree to get result. What should be the query?
Automate.
Query. That is the
Okay.
only one. Write a
Okay.
query to get the result, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So select
Select
d, d dot star
D dot star,
uh, comma e dot star
comma E dot star
from
from
department D
department D.
join left outer join or left join
Okay, left join
employee E
employee
on
on
D dot department ID is equal
D
to
dot department
ID is equal to
ID is equal to
E dot
E dot
department ID
department ID.
ID.
Yeah, correct. So we have done this correct answer, this correct answer.
other two probably if I write, I think I'll get it. Because writing in the, I mean, editor at least, I don't know, I'm used to writing.
Okay. So write a query to perform join between employee, department, company. Again, okay.
Yeah,
Final result should not contain any null value.
yeah,
Hmm.
okay. Then we have to perform an inner join between all the three.
Okay. After that, how do you filter a null?
Inner join will give only the matched records between them, and then we can give the condition that the primary key value, I mean the values are not null.
Which not null? Which one not null? See, first see that record here.
1 minute. Show me the question, Amit, once.
Yeah, yeah. I'll go to the questions. So the question is that here,
Okay.
write
Hmm.
a query, the
Hmm.
question number 6, okay, to
Yeah.
perform
Join.
join between employee, department, and company. Okay, first
Hmm.
of all, then and the result should come out excluding null, right? The final
Yes.
result should not contain any null value. So
Yeah.
whatever join you are going to perform, okay,
Hmm.
you have to think in such a way you should exclude the null value, right? And you should not miss the record,
Yes.
correct? Two
Hmm.
probability. So always, whenever we read the questions, any technical round interview, so
Hmm.
this type of questions generally we ask for any interview, okay, to understand, to know exactly the fundamental concept. This is the fundamental query, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So now you tell me, this is the company, department, employee. You want to perform the join. Which one will perform first? Questions
Inner join
inner join.
to
Okay.
fetch only the matched records.
Only the match record. But what about the remaining record?
You need all of them, is it?
Yeah, that is your call.
We, uh, we need only the match records between the tables, right, Amit? If at all we require only the match records between the three table, then we will perform an inner join.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's go as per inner join. Okay, fine. Next, after that,
So the non-nullable columns, whatever is see the primary key column, the join columns will not have the null values, right?
correct.
In this one, if you see also
Yeah,
like,
but this record has a null, right? See that?
correct.
This has the null, right?
Yes.
So based on this data, what should be the query?
Mm.
So you're saying
Cell.
inner join, right? E dot
Yeah.
imply. Shall I write now
Yeah.
here?
Yeah.
Okay. E dot star, right? We can keep
E
it.
dot star comma. Yeah.
Okay. D dot star.
Star.
C, C dot star. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Next what? Department.
From department. Yeah.
D.
Yeah. Join
Join.
on. Sorry. Join. We will take company.
Okay.
I mean company, employee, and department and employee.
Okay.
Yeah. On
On
D dot
D dot
company ID equal to C dot company ID.
company ID is equal to C dot company ID.
Join.
Next.
Join.
Okay. Again join. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry. Join employee
Imply.
E
Okay.
on
Employee on
E dot
E dot
department ID
department ID
is equal to
Hmm.
d dot department id.
D dot department ID.
Mm, uh, that case we need to apply is not null condition, where condition.
Hmm. So what should I do? What should I do? Dhiren?
Where that company it is not, where a dot department name is not null, but
Hmm.
by without seeing the data we need to write the query, right,
No,
Amit is
data is there with you, right? Already data is there
no,
with
no,
you,
no,
right?
not like that. What I'm saying, when I build the query,
Hmm.
because uh, in that case, I need to put all the nullable columns in the where condition.
That is okay. But in interview, no one provide you that editor and all, right? They'll ask the questions.
Correct. No, no, no. What I'm saying, here in the where
Hmm.
condition,
Okay, tell me. One
yeah,
assumption we can keep. See that?
yeah, where d dot,
Hmm. See that
uh,
one is that
yeah,
city pin code country in the both the table is
yeah,
not right.
correct. So we will get like where.
Hmm.
1 minute, I'll see the table once. Yeah. So we'll put as
Where?
where c
Hmm.
dot location is not null, or
Or
uh, d dot department name is not null, or c dot,
okay, fine, fine. I
yeah,
got it now.
yeah,
So my feedback is the partial correct answer. Okay.
okay,
Still something you have to do. Now you know the approach,
yes.
but yeah, something you have to do. Okay, let's move to the next questions. Get employee details with the employee name, department name, company name whose salary is less than 45,000.
Hmm. Select the again here we will create a inner join only,
Same
Amit.
same approach you are doing,
In
same query you will do
inner
like that.
join, yeah,
Yeah,
and
then
we'll
it will
give,
be wrong answer.
okay.
Okay. So we think what you are doing mistake in the writing the query. You know the answer, but the approach of writing is not correct. Okay, what is cross join?
Cross join is join where we, if at all we want all the records from both the tables, right?
Mm.
Then we will perform a cross join. It's
All
like
the record means
X
we
into
can do
X.
in inner join also. Sorry, like left auto join, or we can perform a normal join also, right?
That will give only the match records, right? The inner join.
Mm. Even union all also I can do, right?
Yeah.
Then what is the cross join?
Cross join basically will pull in all the records from both the tables.
Then what is difference between cross join and union all? Correct?
Hmm.
Okay. So you don't have the idea, okay, about the question. That is the my feedback for you. Okay. Now let's see here. Next questions. By mistake, there is extra space for company ID and company name. Can you see now here in the table?
Hmm.
Okay. But the column should be without a space. What to do?
I didn't. What is it, Amit?
See,
Huh.
see the questions. Can you read the questions now? Question number 9.
Yes, by mistake there is a space for company ID and company name,
Correct.
whereas column should be. Okay,
Uh,
we can
should
rename
be
the rename the column
okay. What is
using
the
the alter table.
okay? So can you tell me the
Yeah.
query?
Alter table, table
The
name,
table. Okay.
table name.
So this is company table, correct? Okay,
Yeah,
company.
sorry, alter
Mm,
table, company.
mm,
Yeah, replace
mm.
company ID, company underscore ID,
There is no underscore. Space ID is there.
space ID.
Uh,
Uh, the keyword actually. With or as or something like that.
what should be there?
Mm, I don't know that keyword. I mean, I don't remember that keyword.
Okay, fine, fine, no problem.
But we use the alter table only. Replace.
Okay, ठीक है.
Not replace, Amit. Rename. Sorry.
Okay, rename, right? Okay,
Yes, rename.
okay.
Company ID as, I think, without space company ID. Keyword I don't remember.
Don't remember?
Yeah, I don't
Okay.
remember.
So next, go to the next questions. What is the next questions? Get the company name, company locations where the no employee is working. Get a department's details where there is no employee. Two queries there.
Get the company name, location where no employee is working.
Mm.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me see. Company and employee. There is no joint condition between company and employee, right, Amit?
Where?
Company and employee are not directly connected.
I don't know. That is the query, right? Get the company name, company locations where no employee is working, correct?
Hmm.
So if you go back here, company name and
Company name and company location
mm,
where no employee is working. But
correct. Mm,
company and employee are not
correct.
directly connected.
Yeah, not directly connected. That is also true. Then
But
apply the query for that.
yeah, then we have to consider the department
Mm,
table also for that.
okay. Mm, okay. So this will take some time for you. Okay. It's not directly straightforward.
Okay.
You, can you think? Can you just tell me the partial answer at least?
Which one for that same thing, right?
In questions number 10.
Yeah, so what we need to do is like we need to create join the three tables, and then we need to pull in the records for the company IDs and the corresponding department ID where the employee ID is null. That means there is no employee working for that department. The second join. Hello?
Yeah, yeah. I'm hearing you.
Yeah.
Okay. So partial
That is for
approach.
the first one.
I'm saying the partial approach, correct? Okay.
Yeah, for the first one.
Okay.
That is
Get the
second.
employee details. Okay. Get the department details where there is no employee.
Yeah, so here we can directly join department and employee.
Okay.
Uh, where and in the where condition we can give us where the e dot employee ID is empty. I mean is null. We will join between departments in department table and employee table, but where the employee ID is empty,
Okay.
that will give the department with no employee. Is employee ID is null.
Employee ID is null, you are saying?
Mm.
Is there any employee ID is null is in the data? No, right?
No, it is not there.
Then think, Dhiran, think. What should be the answer? Who works for the wrong department, correct? So wrong department means the department number is there, but the department is the number does not match to the your department table, correct?
Hmm.
So what should be there? Or
E dot depart. No, 1 minute. Get the employee details who no, no. Get the employee details who work for wrong department. So wrong department in the sense that is there in employee table, but it is not there in the department table.
correct.
Yeah. Then we have to put a condition where department ID or department ID is null.
Okay, null. Department I is equal to null, you are saying?
I mean the see.
Tell me, I'll type it. Tell me, I'll
So
type
that particular right. See that the entry is there in the department table.
it.
I mean the entry is there in the department table, but
Correct.
that particular entry is not there in the department table, right?
Hmm.
So here in this case, if we see for ours, the record will be 104 that we need to get.
Yeah, but I got your concern, but you will not get the answer. Okay, let me help you here. Can you do like this? Select, let's say e dot star.
Mm.
Okay, from imply e department d where
Right.
e dot what department id is not equal to d dot. Can you get like this?
Data department ID. Yes, Amit.
Hmm?
Yes.
Simple query, correct?
Hmm.
You are not following this approach what I was looking in the past query also. Okay.
Because when I tried this right in the
Hmm.
earlier, this not equal to a condition did not work for me in the join. So that is where I never used this
No, 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 no.
because I
In the
got some error for
previous
that.
query also, it got wrong because your approach is not correct here.
Instead of that is not null, I can put it as not equal to in the But I'm not sure whether this will work in
Why not this
this
will work?
Hive, Amit, because
It will work everywhere. Why not it will work? Hive also
when
will work.
yeah, because once when I tried this not
Hmm.
equal to condition, it gave me a error. So from then on, I
No, no,
never
no, no,
used
no, no, no.
not
It's not.
equal
It's not like that. Suppose if Hive is does not supporting this part, correct?
to.
You are saying this is
No,
not supporting.
because once I was working on the same thing, like for some
Hmm.
of the some, and I applied this only because normally in
I
the
can do
join,
many ways. See, I'll tell you. Other approach also. This is the one approach. We'll get it. Okay,
yes,
that's not a
mm,
problem. Okay. Second approach also we can do same query. Select e dot star from employee. Sorry, e dot star
yeah,
count of department ID. Okay,
mm,
d dot
department,
department ID. Correct
mm,
as count. Okay,
mm,
from employee e department d where. Okay,
yeah,
yeah having. Okay,
mm,
count of d dot.
mm.
Wait a minute. Let me tell
You
you.
have to group by.
One second, one second. Not equal to only will be coming. Okay.
Mm,
Otherwise, you have to do like this here. D dot. One second. Group by I don't want it. D dot department ID. But employee will we have the employee has the department ID here.
mm,
Employee ID and department ID, correct?
mm.
And this department ID here is wrong. Where the 15 number. So we should get the answer 15. Am I right? 21. Sorry, 21. See that?
Yes,
We should get the 21, correct? This record.
yeah.
So
Limit fine.
this department ID should not match. That record should come. Uh, So we can do if it is implied table, left outer join. So
Mm,
only just normal conditions just not equal to department ID. Otherwise, having count is equal to 0. You got the point? 0 means
mm.
it's not matching, right? Not equal to should be there. Why that query? Number 10. We are here, right? So here we are seeing department D having count or department should be what? 0. So we can say here uh,
But
before having we
without
can apply one minute. Before having we'll apply here. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
E dot department ID. Okay. If you make this equal, that won't be equal because that is not matching to your what we say D dot department ID, correct?
Yes.
The record is not there, so that will not be coming. That's why we have to keep what not equal to department ID. Very simple query. This query will not work out here. The reason is that here you are saying may match the department ID where count of department ID is equal to E dot department ID is equal to what? 0, correct?
Mm,
But there will be at least one record. If the count is matching means it is one record, right? It won't be the 0, correct?
yeah.
Okay. So this query will not work out here. So we have to go for this only. Department ID is equal to department ID. You can give a try. Otherwise, we can go for window function also. Other approach also we can make it. Okay, in the simple way. Reason is that if the department ID is matching, means it is getting that record. We don't want matching record. We want this record, correct? Should not match. That details we want here. Or what we can do?
No, not 4. Compare.
So E dot department ID should not match to D dot department ID, correct? So in this cases, this 21 is not match. Remaining is matching, right? Didn't.
Yeah.
Left to right. Yeah, that is correct.
We can.
Yeah.
So right auto right left auto join.
Yeah. Any questions do you have here? Doubts?
No, we cannot use a left auto join here, Amit.
No. Why do we need left out to join here? We don't need the left. We need only the record where the department entry is wrong, right? That details of the employee we need. Do you need left out to join? Left out to join means what will happen? It will return all the employee details, correct?
Correct.
Along with it will match department 10, 12, 13, 14.
Yes.
After that, what will do? How to filter? Suppose, yeah, one more approach we can do. So group by department number and the count should be
Yeah.
0.
Correct.
Correct.
Yes.
So on one, right? One week 0 it won't become. You see, even it is 15 department, it will consider as 1. Even 20, it will consider as 1 record, correct? You can't keep a 0.
No, but in the condition we will put it as D dot department ID.
So you understand the questions. So what is the questions? Find the employee records which has the wrong department ID, correct?
Yes.
How to know? Don't
So,
assume. These are
no.
only questions. So as per this data set, this record is wrong data.
Correct.
Am I right?
Yes.
So we need these results.
Yes.
So in this case, we are going to compare this department ID and the department ID from this department ID.
Yes.
So this all will match. This is not matching. So I'm saying what? Select E dot a star where E dot department ID is not equal to what? D dot department ID. The remaining got match. This is not matching. So we got the record, right?
But in this 15 will also come, right, Amit?
No, why 15 will come? 15 is not in the implied table, correct?
Yes.
So that's why it won't consider. There is no 15 here, right? See, the comparison will be left to right.
Right.
So left is what imply, right is what department. We reverse. Okay, so that's why the first employee department ID from the employee will compare to the department ID from the department. So in that case, there is no 15 here, right?
Yeah.
In this table, you got my point?
Yeah.
That's why it won't compare. Okay, let's move to the next questions. Can you write a query to fetch the number of employees working in each department and apply filter to get extract records excluding null? Write the query to fetch the number of employees working in each department, okay? And apply filter to get exact record excluding null.
Number of employees. Write a query to fetch the number of employees. Number of employees working in each department. Apply the filter to get them excluding null. Select So here we need to first do a count of employees, grouping by department.
Okay.
Right, working on each department means in department wise count we need to fetch.
Yeah, tell me the query. Tell me the query. Don't explain me. Theory.
Yeah,
Yeah. So now we want this question's answer. Okay. What should I do?
select
Select
count of
count of what?
e dot employee ID
E dot employee ID.
comma d dot department ID
Okay. D dot department ID
from
from
uh, from employee join department.
wrong. Completely. Okay. You'll think why it is wrong. Okay. It's a simple query, but you're making complex. Dhiral. Okay. Write a query to get details of the employee whose salary is more than minimum salary. What we can do? Dhiral?
Yeah, this one is a, I think this is a straightforward query, Amit.
Which one? 15 number?
Hmm.
Yeah. What is the query? Tell me.
So we will we'll select star
Mm.
from employee.
Mm.
Uh, 1 minute. Uh, with salary is greater than minimum of salary.
Salary is greater than minimum salary, you are saying?
Mm.
Yeah. Okay.
Actually,
Or can we write the sub query?
yeah, with salary in uh,
Mm.
yeah, we can do like where salary greater than select minimum salary from the same table.
Salary is greater than salary. What is the can you write it with the sub query? Tell me now. What should I
Select star
select?
from
Okay.
employee
Select a staff from employee. Okay. Hmm.
where
Hmm.
salary in
Hmm.
select minimum salary from employee. Minimum of salary from employee.
Now it will correct. Initially it will greater than, right? That's why.
No.
Okay. Okay. This is correct. Okay.
No, why I told is Amit, see, salary is more than, right? So the subquery will give the minimum salary.
Hmm.
So select start from where view. One
Correct.
minute.
Yeah. So okay. Okay. Then you are correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Take care.
Actually,
So
fine.
write a query to fetch the employee name and department name with the names that begins with three character. Okay.
Actually, one ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರು ಒಂದು.
End with any character. What we can do? Tell me
What?
the approach.
1 minute, Amit. Fetch the employee name and their names begin
Department
with.
name that begins three characters. That takes example. Okay.
Yeah.
Department begins with FIN.
So we can use the like operator here, Amit.
Okay.
So we can put it as like the employee name, like
Mm.
uh, it begins with, right? You're saying
Okay.
begins with, okay, text. So we can put it as in quotes A, caps A,
Mm.
and then we can put it as percentage, I mean, mod sign
Okay.
for the first one.
Yeah.
And for
I got it. I got it. No problem.
yeah.
Okay, 17. Right to find the filtered the record based on null value and the load. Write a query to find filtered the records based on null value and load filter record to the raw table and the null record to
Right.
mm, mm,
Find filtered record, filtered based on null,
value and load filter
filtered.
record. You have to load to raw dot table name and null record. You have to load to raw dot table name dot underscore null. You got my point. Like source, you're doing migration data.
Hmm.
We have mix up data, right? Null and without null. So
Yes.
without null is going to the original table and null value is going to the null table, correct? To match the
Okay.
count.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is the query here.
Then we can use insert into select that statement.
Hmm.
So insert into raw table. Uh,
Insert into raw dot.
yeah, raw dot table.
Okay.
Uh,
Hmm.
select. Yeah, uh, select star from
Hmm.
I mean
Yeah,
the
source table
yeah,
name.
table.
Okay.
Uh,
Hmm.
uh, source table where, but
Hmm.
which column to be null, Amit? You are expecting like
I'm expecting like at least two and three column. Like let's say like one is the see primary key and it will not be null
will
number.
not be null. Yeah.
So like kind of city or pin
Say
code.
location is null, or
Yeah.
if at all we want to like
Okay. I got
yeah,
your request.
yeah,
So not null.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Or pin
yeah,
code is not null
yeah,
or mobile is
yes,
not null. Correct.
yes, yes,
Okay. Or email ID is not null.
yes,
They are the mandatory parameter. Okay. Hmm.
yes. Similarly, for the other one, we will put it as is null.
Okay.
Uh,
Fine.
yeah.
So here you're saying rather than this is the is null, right? That is the approach you're
Mm,
saying.
mm, yes. Is it correct, Amit?
Yeah, correct, correct.
Give you two
Okay.
minutes, one.
Okay. So I think what is this? Which query and functions would you use to fetch candidate's full name and replace the space with a hyphen?
Yes.
Hmm. Candidate's full name is first name and the last name, correct?
Mm.
Okay.
Mhm. Function we would use to fetch candidate's full name and replace the space with the hyphen. We can use a string replace function, right, Amit, where we will specify which view one minute.
Okay. So you're saying replace, right? Okay.
Yes, sure.
Hmm. Replace. Okay. Tell me the function name. Okay.
Chivandire.
Hmm.
Yeah, we will provide the string value, and then the particular what to say uh, value that has to be replaced and what to be replaced.
No. See, what is this query? Which query and functions would you use to fetch the candidate's full name? Okay, you're not and replace the space, right? Amit and space Raj, correct?
Hmm.
So Amit Raj, correct? So Amit underscore Raj. It should not come Amit space Raj, right? That is my query. So input is like this, right? Data is like this. See that? First name Amit space Raj, correct?
Hmm.
Output should be Amit underscore Raj. Amit and then Raj.
Then we can use concat. No, no.
Yeah, tell me. Correct.
Concat.
Okay. You want to concat one approach. Okay. Any other approach you feel you can do? So concat means what will do Amit and Raj, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So concat, can you concat more than two string?
No,
Can you do?
no,
No.
no.
Then
Concat will replace.
Yeah, you are near about the correct answer here and there, okay, but you look up.
Mm.
So I think you got the idea, right?
Yeah,
Basically, in any interview, like any
yeah,
sequel
yeah,
of interview, these are the basic questions, fundamental SQL questions,
yeah,
just to know exactly the syntax awareness or approach of
yeah,
writing the simple query, correct?
yeah.
Here also there are some questions you can go through that.
Mm,
We'll have like some more every 2 weeks. We'll have like one round of like live sessions for SQL, for programming, for
mm,
Spark, right? So that
yeah,
slowly you'll understand the approach of query.
yeah.
And then
And
tomorrow I'll give you my feedback exactly how to give that answers as per our experience level, okay? Because the
yeah,
candidate who has 14, 15 years experience, what the speech should give and
mm,
what is the volume should give, right? The
mm,
confidence level, right? That
mm,
I am saying. So my feedback is that you know the SQL, but confidence level is very, very low. And sometimes you're getting confused yourself.
yeah,
That should not be happen. Means even if it is wrong, you have to justify it is correct, right?
mm,
Here and there, convincing level. Okay, fine, no
yeah.
problem. Work out. Okay, that part also. Fine, Kiran. Okay,
So this
we
summit,
have tomorrow
I'll work
session.
on this.
Yeah,
This.
Kiran, tell me.
Yeah, can you send me this? I'll work on this.
Yeah,
I'll
I'll say this 32
because the
questions.
about two queries I want to correct it.
Yeah, yeah, correct. So you correct me and then share me the answers. Then you'll
Yeah,
understand. Okay, what mistake? Then we'll do. So
yeah,
tomorrow
yeah.
also we'll meet the same time rather than morning. We'll meet evening only. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye, Dhiran. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much,
See you.
Amit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good
Bye.
night. Bye.
Bye. Bye.